Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an AI agent in Genspark. To get started, open Genspark in your web browser. This is the platform where you can explore and work with different AI agents inside one workspace. If you are new to the site, take a moment to let the home page fully load so you can clearly see the main navigation and available options. Starting from the home page makes it easier to follow the rest of the process without missing any features. Once you are on the Genspark homepage, look for the option labeled All Agents and click on it. This section is where Genspark organizes the different agents you can browse and use. Think of it as the central library for agent templates, tools, and examples. Opening all agents helps you move from the general workspace into a more focused area where you can choose the kind of agent you want to work with. After that, select a sample agent. This is a helpful step because sample agents give you a ready-made starting point instead of requiring you to begin from scratch. If you are still learning how Genspark works, choosing a sample agent can make the setup process much easier. It also gives you a clearer idea of how prompts, responses, and agent behavior are structured within the platform. When you choose a sample agent, you are essentially opening a working example that you can interact with right away. Next, enter a sample prompt into the agent. This is where you tell the AI what you want it to do. Your prompt can be short and simple if you are just testing functionality, or more specific if you want to see how the agent handles a particular task. As you type, try to be clear and direct so the agent has enough context to generate a useful response. A well-written prompt usually leads to better output, especially when you are evaluating what the agent can do. Once the sample prompt is entered, the agent is ready for interaction. This is a good moment to observe how the system responds and how the sample setup is designed. If you are practicing, you can use this experience to understand how prompts influence results and how different agents may be tailored for different workflows. That's the basic process for creating an AI agent experience in Genspark using a sample agent. By starting on the home page, opening all agents, selecting a sample agent, and entering a sample prompt, you can quickly begin exploring how the platform works.